From the trading desk of dailyforex.com, this is Christopher Lewis looking at the upcoming February 15th Forex session. And in front of you is the Kiwi dollar pair. As you can see, the New Zealand dollar has broken above the 0.85 level, which of course is going to be very significant. And the main reason is at 4:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, retail sales came uh, out of New Zealand and came out at 1.6% better than expected. This, of course, was a bit of a shock, but what has caught my attention about this pair are several things, really, but obviously there's been quite a bit of resistance that has been shot through. But also, you can see that we have been just slowly grinding higher, and eventually something had to give. Looks like it has. We have pulled back quite a bit, but ultimately, if we break those highs again, that could send this pair sailing quite far. When you zoom out, and I will go ahead and do that here, you can see that we've been consolidating rough, and these are rough numbers, between 75 and 85. Well, technical analysis typically will dictate you just take that height and add it to the breakout point. Well, it gets us as high as 0.95. That, of course, would be a very, very nice trend to ride. And let's face it, the Kiwi dollar does have a history of doing these types of things. You can see where it shot straight up here and then kind of went sideways for a while, and then shot straight down and shot straight up, sideways, a little bit higher, sideways. It's just been kind of grinding. And that's one of the things that's kind of impressed me about the Kiwi dollar is the fact that it just has failed to, it just refuses to take no as an answer. You can see it's just been grinding and grinding and grinding since really June of last year. So all things being equal, you can also look at this as a possible W pattern. A little bit messy, but it says the same thing. We're breaking out. Obviously, if we can get above this area here, which looks at about 0.86, that really clears things up and we can really pick up momentum at that point in time. Going forward, this is one of the more interesting charts for me right now, and as a result, I will continue to follow it. But if we can get above the highs here, this looks like a nice buying opportunity just waiting to happen.